Hi everyone. Today I'm going to harvest sweet potatoes from two 20-gallon containers. This container has purple sweet potatoes that I planted way back in March of last year, so they've been growing for over a year. And I have another pot of Satsuma sweet potatoes. So let's see how we did. With these batches of sweet potatoes, I tried something new this past season. I planted three slips, one short, one medium, and one long. And my hope is that these sweet potatoes have grown and developed from the top all the way down to the bottom, as opposed to planting slips all the same size and having all of those sweet potatoes clumped in one area. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the tops of the plants and we'll dig through to see how we did. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm seeing one right off the bat here. Okay, this is from, so this sweet potato here. Okay, not too bad. This is from the short slip. Okay, not too bad. Oh, here's another one here. So this one is further down. Here's another one. Oh, here's a nice clump off of this plant. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay, now here are the three plants. This is one plant, this is another plant, and this is the third. And so the short slip yielded two sweet potatoes. Okay, this is the longer slip. Or is this the medium? I think this is the medium slip. Okay, we got a nice clump of potatoes here. Okay. Let's see if there are any more over here. And then here is the longest of the slips. And this one actually produced a few more. This one's got 4 in this cluster. Okay. Let's see if there's any more in here. Oh, here's one over here. I think this one went with the medium one. Okay, I think that's about it. All right, so let's show you what we came up with. So this was the shorter sweet potato slip. It only yielded 2. This was the medium one over here, and this little slip yielded 4. And here is the longer one. So they were planted something like this, and this one also yielded 4, 3 of which are pretty good size, 3 over here and 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 medium-sized sweet potatoes and 1, 2, 3 smaller ones. So not bad. I mean, I was hoping to get more than that, but this is the purple sweet potato variety. Let's take a look and see if the Satsuma sweet potato did any better. Okay, I have Ginger out here helping me with the second batch of sweet potatoes. These are the Satsuma variety. The other ones were purple. And hopefully we did better with this one. So I think, what do you want to do? You want to cut this foliage first? Okay, why don't you put it in the foliage? Alright, let's go ahead and dump this in the pot. Oh, okay, I'm seeing some already. So how about Ginger? Where was that one? Ginger, was that
It was right here at the bottom. Ooh, wow.
So let's see if we can't keep the potatoes with each plant so we can see which ones.
I don't know where that came from. It just came from the bottom.
Right?
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay. Looks like we have more sweet potatoes in. Can you tell which? That's probably the short slip, huh?
It looks like it. Now this side.
Oh, there's a nice cluster there.
Oh, I don't know where that got. Oops. Ooh.
Ooh, look at that one.
It's like
Yeah.
Okay. This is a thing of mulch.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay. Ooh, that's a nice cluster, but there's a lot of small ones in there,
small ones,
huh?
yeah.
Yeah. That looks like the longer slip. Okay.
That was
Is that it?
it.
Okay, let's take a look here. So this one is definitely the longer slip here, and this is the medium length slip, and this was the short slip right here. A lot of small ones, a couple of big ones, so not too bad, not great. I'm surprised that we have like so many small ones, because this has been, over a year, and you would think that those small ones would have grown a little larger, unless that's newer growth. It could be newer growth. Let's take a look at our harvest today. These are the purple sweet potatoes, really nice quality, mostly medium sized, nothing too large. We had a couple larger Satsuma sweet potatoes and several small ones. So this was based on 3 plants and 3 plants here, so a total of 6 plants in 2 20-gallon pots. What we learned is that the potatoes developed based on the length of the slip. So the short slips had potatoes develop towards the top of the bag, and the longer slips develop potatoes towards the bottom of the bag. So I think going forward this spring, we'll plant 2 levels of sweet potatoes, 3 towards the top with shorter slips, and 3 towards the bottom with longer slips. I like to thank Ginger for helping out. Thanks, honey. So there you have it. This was our sweet potato harvest. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider liking and sharing this video with people you know. Please consider subscribing to our channel. We would really appreciate your support. And as always, thank you so much for watching.